Remember, this time of year, Santa knows if you're naughty or nice, so you better watch out. And welcome back. This is Steve from Scale Model Kit Review. This is my 2022 Christmas build, and this would be Noel. She is Santa's helper, and she is 1/4 scale, 3D printed by NY 3D Creations. Mike over there does a fantastic job, and he created this bust for us for our painting project that I've been taking through the Styrene Syndicate, Gilbert Mondragon over the Styrene Syndicate. And I had a blast painting her. Like I was saying, Mike created this bust from a full figure rendering and gave us just the bust so we can learn how to paint female skin tones. So she was the first time I've used Pastels, and I'm learning those from Jerry over at Just Paint It. I'll put a link down below. Head over to watch Jerry's videos on how he paints. He has great tutorials over there. Plus he has some giveaways where he gives away resin model kits, and we're talking about the garage kits, not the 3D printed type. He may give away some of those in the future also, but he has some fantastic giveaways. But anyway, I'm learning a lot from Jerry on painting skin tones and using the pastels in this case. So I'll tell you a little bit about Noel and what I did with her. So of course I did prime her with some black Stynylrez Res initially, and I sanded her down to smooth her out as much as possible, because with the 3D printing you're still going to have some of those swirls and lines in the print, but they weren't bad at all. I was able to smooth it out as best as possible. And then I painted her with some terracotta for the skin tone, and then I started putting in the skin tone from Stynylrez Res. So Stynylrez Res was pretty much used for the primer, the black primer. The terracotta was Stynylrez Res, and then the flesh tones was Stynylrez Res. And then started putting pastels on her. And I can't remember all the pastels that I used, but if you watch the video on the Styrene Syndicate on YouTube, you can see our process there. But I love those pastels, and I'm still learning how to use them. And then of course I hand painted her eyes, and that was fun. They were gloss coated with some Mr. Color GX clear along with her lips. So that is my completed Noel for this year's holiday season for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I plan to give you more finished projects and some builds next year in the coming year, so stay tuned for that. Also, I am going to give you guys an end of year video on all the projects I complete, and I surprised myself. I completed quite a bit this year, even though I haven't been fully retired the entire year yet. Next year will be my first year I'll be fully retired, so stay tuned. I'm going to be throwing you guys some videos out there more often. But I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you all for watching. Happy modeling and Merry Christmas.